Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make date syrup. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. We're going to start off by soaking 1 bag of pitted dates in 2 cups of hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure there are no added sweeteners. Date syrup can be used as a sugar substitute. They are a great source of fiber and they're also fat-free. Place the dates in a food processor on the puree setting. Afterwards, we're going to strain it. And there you have it, a simple date syrup. See you guys next time.